everybody, it's me, Jenny Lee again. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do something a little fun. My son's gonna do my makeup. But to make it a little more interesting, his older brother, my 15-year-old, picked out the makeup. And he quickly did it, so who knows what we have to work with. So my son Noah is gonna show you what's in the basket. He has no idea either. So we're now gonna peek inside and see what we have to work with. Let's hope he did us good. All right, Noah, let's see what we got to work with in here. This is the basket.
First we got a Wet n Wild eyeshadow quad.
Okay. Isn't too bad out of all those palettes he could have picked from, but you know.
And then we got a Maybelline New York City bronzer.
Okay.
And then we got this big.
Oh, that's nice to work with.
10
Tartless Pro.
Tartless Pro.
It's an eyeshadow palette.
Nice.
But it's a really nice one, so that was good. He did give you lots of choices for
And then we
eyeshadows.
got Milani Pure Passion.
So the eyeshadow palette. But it's good, those are bronzes, so well, I think he did give you a bronzer.
Yeah, he got me a bronzer right there.
Okay. So you got options. Oh, another
and then he got me
bronzer.
a California Beamin.
He wants me to be bronzing. So use things
Then we
from
got
here.
Olay Total Effects Tone Correcting with Sunscreen.
It's a foundation, kind of. It's a tinted moisturizer. At least he got me some kind of face coverage. I was worried.
And
But
then,
he had to get the lightest one he
and then we
could.
got this.
A beauty blender, thank goodness.
Then we got this Pastels.
Ooh, he threw the Huda in
Huda
there.
Beauty.
Oh, that's another eyeshadow. That's the Huda. But if you don't have blush, you could even use some of those eyeshadows for blushes. Not necessarily in the Huda, but the other one. Ooh. So you can take some like eyeshadow, any colored eyeshadows and use for blush. Anything pretty colored.
And then we got this, the Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil.
Okay, you can use that anywhere you want. Oh, okay, good. Oh, it's an eye topper, but you can use that for lips.
Milani.
I'd use that for the lips, yeah.
And then we got this big brush.
That's actually a really nice bronzer brush.
Then we got Rooney Nails Glow Skin Illuminator.
Ooh, that's good. That's like a glow, a highlight. That's good, we needed a highlight.
And then we got this Wet n Wild
Another
eye
white pencil, that could be the eyeliner. He's wanting us to have, that was really good. He's wanting us to have some white eyes.
And then we got this Kylie Jenner.
Oh, there's a lip,
Velvet
okay.
Liquid Lipstick.
Okay.
And that's it for the box.
All right. So obviously there's some items missing that I would use, but let's see what he can
He's not
do.
gonna use this stuff. It's gonna be difficult, and she's not gonna give me any hints.
Nope. And he doesn't have to use everything here because there are some duplicates, but he can only use from here. That's the rules.
I'm gonna try and use every single
Wow, no, you
not the duplicates.
We don't have to do that. Like, you know, but it's up to you. I'm not gonna,
try.
but you just can't use anything else. So, all right, you ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, let's get going.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
You're nervous.
So I'm gonna start. Is this a foundation?
Yep.
Okay. So just put it to my hand. Or what do I do? Put it right here. Oh, I'm a mess. Oh, I'm a mess.
I spot it on. That's the only clue I'm gonna give you. I put on little polka dots.
Oh,
Put it on my hand. Always remember I use my amber swatch. And then I'll polka dot it everywhere, and then I use the sponge. No more tips after that, though. Put as much as you think you'll need for my whole face. You're not gonna need as much as you think you're gonna need. A little more than you think of this, though, because this is like a moisturizer stuff. It's really, and he had no primer in here, so. And this is the foundation that we're using. My sister, actually. Believe it or not, my sister gave me this.
Just tap it on your face.
And I've used it once, but it was very light, yeah. And we have no concealer either. Like all over, so it's an easy blend because you want it everywhere. have enough. Here, just,
Okay, here we go.
he's using the beauty blender. We do have one of those.
So I just tap it?
Yeah, I say tap. Good job. That was good. You can put more pressure. That's the biggest mistake most guys make is they don't.
You
wanna
say
put
that you
pressure.
had a guy do your makeup.
No, when you watch videos, you've done my makeup before.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Rub it all out. Make sure it's all just rubbed out. Like if you're painting a wall, cover that wall.
You're wrong.
You can rub it if that's what you need to do. Just get it rubbed out.
You're wrong. You need to run your earrings.
Mm-hmm. Shabby. Wish we had some concealer.
You can't blame me for that.
You probably got one good.
Okay.
All right,
I
what's
did all
next?
this myself. Doesn't it look so nice?
What's next?
Okay.
So he's gonna use some bronzer now.
Some bronzer
this
City.
is the City from Maybelline in the color. I don't know. City bronzer. I don't know.
This
Mm-hmm.
is act like a fish. Good dog.
Mm-hmm. Oh, good job. That was smart. The bigger
My
one.
hands are so shaky.
This like enough. You can push down a little harder. He like barely puts any pressure.
That's alright.
So we got Tarkus Pro.
Oh, that's
We
nice.
use that one.
I want to look at the other.
And then we
Classic
got,
innocent win. Oh, that's,
this one's real silky and easy to use.
I like this.
You would use that even for a blush or something.
So I'm gonna use edgy because that's what I know. Last time I did a smoky eye, which I was gonna use a bit of punk and edgy.
Those were punk and edgy.
But I guess
You do what you want.
I guess
I'm
I'll
not
just
giving you-
smoke
You
because
don't
that's literally what it's for. Smoky eye.
What's he going? We going into?
I'm going into
Smoked up on top.
smoked. Smoked. So just shut your eye.
Wherever you-
It's like I'm drawing on your eye.
Well, you kind of fun.
All right, good. I'm the baby. Draw on your eyes. Baby, get your left drawing on the wall. Get your left drawing on your eye.
You know that you're being allowed to.
Fun. Oh my God, that looks so
But
bad.
you can blend it with this.
Let me just
Put it on the lid and then take the blending brush and you can go blend the lines and make it look better. Try to stay on the lid.
This is so okay. Oh, that's what
That's what makes it like look smoky and smokes it out. Now like go into my crease and rub that a little bit. Now help blend out your edges so it
I
don't look
don't
so
know where the
funky.
crease is.
Right here where your edges, you know, where that way it'll make it look a little better. Yeah, go right in that crease and push. There you go. It is a lot of work.
I think that it looks horrible, but it's good. Okay. Now,
Well, why don't you use your finger and press like one of these shimmer shades on the lid, the blue, any of them. You do the blue,
alright.
and then rub your finger real good, and then push it. Just press it on my lid, the center of my lids, to kind of clean it up a little bit. Yeah. Or do you want to put any topper?
On a Christmas tree?
Do you want to put it on anything?
What is
Put on
it?
my cheeks. That can be
Oh,
I
it's
think on
not
top
one
of-
of these. I hate these.
it can give me a little glitter for my since I don't have blush. Put it on my cheeks.
Break. Why did you give us bad products?
Aw. Where are you putting it? My cheeks? That's not my cheek.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's my cheek. This isn't my cheek. Do the apple to my cheek. Like at that part. Yeah.
It's such fat cheeks.
I do kind of that cheek.
Can you
Like I
wipe
said.
off the
You're gonna blend it with your favorite brush. He's loving this little guy. Alright, blend her in. He barely touches me. It's like he doesn't.
No,
he
under
barely
your
touches.
eyes.
You barely touch on anything. You're so brave.
So just
There's
like that.
been a little pressure. But... Oh, now he's like making up for it. He's over here killing me. Oh, it looks real shimmery.
Hey, you
It
Ray.
looks very pretty. Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all a close-up view of the look. Look, it's really not bad. Alright, thank you for joining us, guys, and catch me for my video where he picks out my makeup, and who knows what else is to come. Thank you.